Good morning and welcome to the session of learning success from the book Money, Sex, Power. Today is day 3. We will read from chapter 3, verse 7. Do not be wise in your own eyes. Fear God and turn away from evil. Here it says, do not be wise in your own eyes. Now, sometimes people, they think more than what they should think about us. It's a general weakness of human beings. We always think we are better than others. We are good than others. We are smarter than others. We are very advanced than others. We are beautiful than others. We always have a comparison. And we always think we are much better. Here it says, do not be wise in your own eyes. Wise man is saying, do not think you are wise in your own eyes. So what you should think? You think God is more wise and I am under His control and He will protect me. He will help me. That is it. If you see, do not be wise in your own eyes. If you read verse 5, trust in God with all your heart and do not rely on your own understanding. It's very clear. There is a supreme force or the Almighty God or whatever you call Him. Okay? He is running this earth, this world. He is doing. Now there are many trivial questions which people will come and ask you. If He is ruling, why bad things are happening? We are not here to answer those questions. My priority is to see that I walk right. That is my priority. So it says, do not be wise in your own eyes. Fear God and turn away from evil. So when you think you are all in all, you become more and more arrogant. When more and more arrogance comes to a person, it becomes his downfall. Today, we have seen so many leaders in the years. The day they thought they are indispensable, they are the hero, nobody can do anything for them, they disappeared. A very good classic example is Hitler. He thought he is a superior race. He thought he has to serve certain ways of people. He thought he has to kill so many people for that him to be alive. But what happened? He thought he is very smart. He thought he is above everybody. He never trusted in God. In fact, he trusted in himself. If you trust in God, you will not go and kill in the name of God. Why should you kill in the name of God? Why should you protect your God? In fact, God will protect Himself. In fact, God will protect us also. Here it says, do not be wise in your own eyes. Fear God and turn away from Him. What a thing. Wise man is saying, you don't be wise in your eyes. You fear God and turn away from evil. Today, when the world is killing each other in the name of religion, the most religious man, the wise man called Solomon, he is saying, you turn away from evil. How can you do anything evil when you trust in God? How can you do anything evil when you think God is the source of your strength? God is the source of your understanding and wisdom. Why will you do that? Today, believing in God can do a lot of good things to you. Not just believing in God and trusting in Him. So when you believe in God and trust in Him, how can you give bribe? How can you take bribe? How can you do wrong? How can you appreciate what is wrong? My friend, today, believing in God is something which is very, very important for our well-being. That's why it says, do not be wise in your own eyes. Fear God and turn away from evil. Our only duty is to turn away from evil and do good. Thank you for joining us. Hope you enjoyed today's session. We will meet tomorrow. Same place, same time. God bless you.